अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तमाम प्यारे दोस्तों, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर एंड ईमेल, इंटरनेट and other internet, all app and the all basic contract and link and communication program, linker, friends and all viewers, welcome, most welcome. Good evening, very very good evening, very very always good morning, good night, and the God blessing us. God give us a happy, good life, love life. God give us and give you happiness with all good wishes and happy love life, and successful efforts will success all the way everywhere. God blessing us and for you, most welcome. I have explaining and about the subject education description, sciences and scientists and the scholar sciences and the professors, education, what they are giving message and the in theory and in his lectures for the new modern generation. Those are the studying in universities and colleges and schools and various education academies. Most welcome. My all Facebook friends, I love education, scientists and the sciences education. Sciences, computer technology, latest modern new generation education, because they all education are developing and building and the making a very very good life, for bright future life, for the humanity, for human rights, for the humankind services, and grow up the youngest students and the generation, ladies and gentlemen, students, girls and boys, are the studying in the all universities in the worldwide, in every countries, also in all Pakistan, in all Asia, in all subcontinent. I hopefully glad to meet you and thankful to joining my program, International Scientists and Sciences Education and International Sciences, Computer Technology, New Modern Generation Education, and the all topics which we are giving you and the explaining and giving you in our messages. Incredible, amazing talking about the new generation, computer sciences, computer technology, for the bright future, for the good love life, for the good life way, to getting good understanding and the making good bright future for the nation, for families, for friends, for all countries, and making a very very good lucky good wishes and the making to him as a good educated professor, lecturer, scientist, and so many subjects, religious subjects, and the political, technical, computer sciences, technology, and the politics technology, and religious technology, and the sciences, many million subjects. Subjects are the looking forward for the students to grow and get the new modern generation standard VIP computer sciences technology to helping for the all human in the world. Most welcome. I would like to thanks and I would like to tell you most welcome. I want surely explaining all about our talking incredible, amazing studio, international YouTube television channel in the worldwide for over three topic about the Arabic because many countries belong Arabians over Muslim brother over human brotherhood relation with him and the almost mostly countries they know English very well. So we are making all our messages in Arabic and in English also. And the our third one is we want to explain all description about the students and about our international YouTube amazing and incredible talking about the scholars, scientists, and computer technology, new generation technology talking in our YouTube international studio television channel about the talking and about the welcome to all new generation to welcome and bring your all experience about talking about the result, good result. So we give to the all the nation of the worldwide countries and we give to the all new modern scientists or the new generation scientists. They are experience searching about in the many millions field of scientists and education scientists field. So first one I will explain all my messages about religious, political and education knowledges department field in Arabic division, historical education, holy education, religious education in Arabic. Also second one is the topest and very famous English talking. So because there are all worldwide new generation love English and the very famous international language to understanding, to explaining, to messaging and communication to the whole world, humanity. So third one, I will explain all description, education and my topics in Urdu language. Urdu language is the greatest Asian and language of the great subcontinent. There are many countries about knowing Urdu language, main Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, India and Bangladesh and the Arab countries, also in European countries and the worldwide European, USA, United States, Africa and the Russia and Australia. There are millions, many billions Pakistani and Indian and Pakistani brotherhood living, working and for the on the job and some are studying there. So that our subject is helping for the all worldwide nations. They belong Urdu language and the Arabic language and English language. So I am explaining now in international famous topest language in English. So all body to understand easily, easy way, because if I say I am the greatest scholar and philosopher and scientist and this greatest scholar of the worldwide in English language, no. I don't believe this and don't trust this because I am not English, my mother language and my parent language is Urdu. And Pakistani international national language Urdu and the all many in Pakistani various provinces languages I know about Punjabi, Sindhi and like that many languages. So I have explained and told you about the English, Arabic and Urdu. These are three languages. I have decided to explain all my subject about the incredible, amazing talking of the new modern generation worldwide and the 2000 100 centuries searches result of the NASA and of the scientists of the worldwide, what they are doing, what they have to giving us, and what is science and scientist subject and education giving us, and they giving us and giving to our new generation in schools, in colleges, and universities, and the all academies department. That is a very, very grateful and the very grateful greatest humankind and humanity services for the whole worldwide, global wise humanity brotherhood and to understanding of the humanity. Because humanity is the main fact and the main reason and the main focus and the main story of the humankind services and the humanity and human rights. If we are not understanding humanity, humankind services and the human rights, so it's mean we can't do it, and we can explain, and when we can not successful for the humankind services, humanity and human rights mission. That is why we have to need to explain that one. There are millions NGOs of the humanity, human rights in the European countries, in America, in Pakistan, in India, in Asia, in Russia, in Arab countries. They are belonging about human rights NGOs and human rights services. But those are the all department are the belong government department. Some are they are private, but they are government department and the private department of the humanity for humankind services, peace, for love, brotherhood, for justice, for helping, supporting. That is a main reason they are not working and they are not love humanity, human rights and the humankind services. You are looking in the worldwide, all countries are the disturbing in the national problem and the political problem, in religious problem, in the many fact of the trouble and difficulties in the world. All human rights and humanities and the humankind services are failed in this field in the 2100th century. And they saying they have been funding and giving assistance, financial helping, supporting billions, many thousand billion dollars to the all worldwide. That is wrong, and that is very mistake with the humanity and for peace and justice, because they are all department are fail, just officially working. All private NGOs are fail. Those are all officially working, and they have many official working document working. So humankind service are fail. So my dear, that is a truly and honestly I am telling you, explaining you, because we have the very good scientists and the sciences, new modern generation, education, studying and the studying, explaining, messaging of description of the humanity and human supporting, human helping for peace and for justice, of human rights in the field of humankind services for peace, for justice, for helping, for supporting, to the door in all countries, in the worldwide, all departments, to know that is a policy, very lazy and loose policy, but mission are the missionaries department and the saying and offering something, but all that famous popular talk, we are doing $1 billion supporting, helping this country, from this country to this country, for the being time and for the old time, that is all wrong. I don't believe, I don't trust, because I never seen in my life there are NGOs are working, helping, supporting in cash and in door to door and asking about from the humans that you are needful and or not needful, you are jobless or not jobless, because we have to give a good way, a good, bright future way to talk, amazing talk, incredible talk, truth way, like the all 1 billion and the about 24,000 holy greatest messengers and prophet of the God came in the earth for the helping education and bright future for humans by the from the God commandments and the God's holy books. That is the reason is because we don't believe God, and more than population in the worldwide all countries do not trust God, do not believe, do not pray, do not like to truth way, do not like to a helpful and supporting. That is only uh, making his life and commanding his personal political views, and there are disturbing all humans from the religious scholars and the humanity and the talking about the political parties leaders disturbing human efforts. So that is a very big and great policy what I want to explain. So my dears and viewers, most welcome. Thank you very much to join us. You have to explain our all decision, all education and guidance for humanity, human rights, and humankind services, and for peace, love, brotherhood, and the worldwide for peace and justice. So we making to supporting in the whole field of the poorest and the needful humans, even over all countries, in all cities, in all worldwide. You must have to contact online resources, sources, email, contact, sharing our messages in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the email. You must have to take a good way, right way, and the truth way, and the bright future for yourself, for ourselves, for the human life self. So that is a great policy. I don't believe political drama and fraud, and don't believe religious fraud and drama and the political fraud and the politicians fraud and the political problems. They are creating many problem fraud in politician in political parties in the country in the all countries, and making to getting a new government. That is a very big mistake. I don't believe that. uh, True policy is the greatest message of the all messengers and the all scholars, philosophers. They say true is the best policy, so must you have to take true. Don't take risk about the against any wrong thing, fraud and lying and the other thing. That is a very big mistake in your life, in your love life, and in your human life services and humankind services. I have to explain you that is truth and true policy is the two best and good luck and very greatest policy for the all humanity, for all human rights, for all humankind services in the universal life, in the global wise life, in the worldwide life, in any country, any languages, in any nation, in any religion, in any politics and political field. But that is a very fact and the mistake. All politicians, all politics party leaders are saying that we are the true and the true honorable policy for the developing, for the our countries, for the nation, for public. But that is a main and first topic is very wrong and mistake and fraud and the liar, because always people, nation, population of the country crying. There are too much jobless. There are too expensive thing. There are too much problem, difficulties to get a justice, peace from the old department, from court, from the other human department, and there are the too much mistaken and the fraud gaming in the oil department, in gas department, in the electronics department and police department, in the court department, in the various department of the population main department. So that is a very big mistake, a risk. You say something about the challenging to the world and the two nation that I am correct and true and philosopher and like this leader, you cannot get like me leader. And after when you get a seat of the new government and then you are sleeping from your all talking and your promise with the nation, with population, that is a very, very great wrong and liar and the shaitan, iblis, malun politician. Because you waste time of the nation, you waste time of the our countries, your countries, you waste time of the humanity, you waste time of the human rights. The first and first of all, from the oldest history, if you look and check and they found, that is the reason and main thing, humanity, human rights and the humankind services, that is the very greatest topic and the greatest service for in the whole world and in over all countries, in my countries, in humanite all countries. There are in the world, you know about the 300 countries, little and some small, some are the very big countries, and the earth and south and east and west, 300 countries, and there are about 10,000 languages. So you cannot understand. That is a big reason. If you talk in English, if you study in English, if you explain in English, if you talk in English, I hopefully say you that all world will be knowing you and the knowing you about your promise and your views, and they will cooperation with you, and they will help you, supporting you. I am like me. I say always, I trust on the holy greatest God of the universal, and I believe and trust true policy is the best policy, and the humankind services and humanity for human rights, true policy for peace and for justice, not for fraud, not for lying, not for fighting, not for war. That is my policy for humankind services. Give education, get a new century education, and give to new generation education. That is our main and special messaging programming in the YouTube channel, international channel, television studio. We are have my channel, amazing, incredible, universal talking TV studio. So I think we have too many topics, and every week or every month I will prepare my message in Arabic and in Urdu and in English. Why I love Arabic and English and Urdu? What, I do not know other language? If I say I know, that is not challenging, because this is also humanity services. So Urdu belong me, my parents, my national language. Arabic my national language, not national language, but my parents and the grandparents' languages. and my religious languages, and our prophet languages, and the oldest and historical languages, and English is the latest languages of the worldwide, to explaining, to guiding, to giving education for humanity, for human rights, for humankind services, helping, supporting. Because before that is not, I am saying English is not historical language. English is also too much oldest language in the world history. But there are become from British, become from America, become from European countries, and this is a very oldest history of English. But now is famously talking and using in the worldwide, in the all department, especially in the education department, in the industrial department, in sciences department, in all field are all field using English too much, very much. So these three languages, and Urdu language is a matter and a reason for Arabic man and for Englishman. But I hope you do not know, I know that Urdu is a very oldest and historical language. This is the calculation and the they are joining some languages after become Urdu. Arabic, Farsi, Persian language, Arabic language, and many Asian language, and they become make a Urdu language. Urdu separately is separate language, a very beautiful, very grateful, very lovely, and very strong languages of the subcontinent, greatest subcontinent of the world, in speaking in great India and great Pakistan, because these two countries are very greatest historical country, because there are Mughal royals, rulers, greatest king, they had been using Urdu language and Farsi language and Arabic language in the history 1000 year in the Mughal rules and kings and leaders and Islamic leaders. And also Persian and Farsi is the greatest language in the subcontinent, also in Asia. But Farsi using separately in the Iran, also in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, in Iraq. But especially national language Irani and Iranian language, and they're mostly using in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, in Iran and Afghanistan and Iraq. So now you know the Farsi also very famous and very historical language, but Urdu too much historical and the very famous than Farsi and famous than Arabic. Because I am not saying Arabic is not first. Top is first language using in the worldwide Arabic, the number one language in the world. Because historical language using all prophets, messenger from Abraham, peace be upon him, and his family, his sons, those were messenger, prophet of God, like called Bani Israel, and the Arabics, and in Arab near about the Makkah, Medina, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, greatest last prophet of the God, used Arabic, and his family and Ibrahim family language are the Arabic language. But there are some question in the worldwide, a greatest question, my question, if you don't worry and don't mind. So Arabic is the greatest, toppest language also, and English is the also topest and famous language, but for the talking field, for the education field, is the topest language because the very famously speaking in the all worldwide. But Arabic is the greatest and topest one language of the worldwide and historical language. After then, Urdu is the greatest and super language in the world. If you do not know, don't worry. You speak Arabic, don't worry. You speak English, don't worry. But these all combined joining English, because every educated man also, there are no reason that double master of languages, PhD, doctors, philosophers speaking in Arabic and in Urdu and Persian and other languages. But that is a reason. There are all education, new generation, if no completing his study of the masters and the PhD, but they know English. That is a very big question and understanding to know about the English. The generation are studying, they know English. If you know English, that is, I am saying you, that is a very perfect thing of your good life for bright future, for the knowing and studying and to getting a new education, love life and bright future knowledges, new generation knowledges, and to get a science education field of the all education, general sciences, political, religious, and the too much field in the worldwide. So basically, I want to tell and explaining you. So I am I having three languages. I choose three languages. First one English, second one Arabic, third one Urdu languages. So inshallah, if I make some philosophy or science based education topics which are the importantly specialization, if I organized, so I will speak in Persian and in other languages for the helping humankind services to human rights and the humankind services and humanity and for human rights for supporting and helping. But first I will give you inshallah all messages, all my education is explaining description in Arabic and Urdu language and in English language. So now I am just also again introducing to you you must have to understand me, you must have to knowing me, you must have to understanding what I am saying you, what I am explaining you. If you think you will interesting and joining us and interesting our talking studio, incredible, amazing talking, you will also find a good and bright future. I assure you, I am not challenging, but my challenge is open already because education and study and new generation modern technology, sciences and science technology are the very famous and the very, very greatest, giving you a bright future in your life, and you are also looking and you are forwarding and you are in this field in the 2100th century. You have too much many famous thing. You do not know also about the science and sciences and computer technology and the computers and mobile and the many others medical field instrument technology, because all holding in computer technology. That is a very perfect and the amazing and incredible thing, that if you are expert of the computer and the new generation modern sciences, computer technology, so it's mean you are very expert of the new modern and new century, expert philosopher and expert scientist and expert professor. So I'm sorry. before I was taking lunch, so I finished. So, oh, thank you very much. How are you, my English friend, European friend, my Russian, Chinese, Australian friend, my European countries, Finland, Thailand, Asian countries, China, Japanese, Korean, Pakistani, Indian, Australian, Brunei, and all countries of the worldwide, USA, United States of America. There are the great British, England, and the whole land, and the Ireland, and the, European country, Finland, and the Norway, South Africa, and the Africa, and the African Arab countries, and the Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the Arabian country, United States of Emirates, and the great kingdom of Kuwait, great kingdom of the Bahrain, and the Sultanate Oman, and the great kingdom of Jordan, and the African, and the Sudanian, and the many Yemeni, the great Republic of Yemen. I love Yemen. I love Africa, Egyptian also, all Arab country. I love too much because I have seen some countries, and I have worked there, and I visited there many countries and many holy places. So English is a very famous and really very easy and love life languages, and the very amazing language, very incredible language. If you know something, if you study some books, you can develop your English, and you can found your English very nice. I hope so, and it because all efforts make successful, and all your nice future, you make nice future, bright future, you will make a successful life. So you will get a successful life. I hope so. And God, greatest holy God, the creator of the whole world, all universal, they are who are the over helpful supporter, and we believe and trust, love him, and we believe and trust his blessing always for us, for our all love life and the all mission of the in the earth and in humanity. In American language, English language is different than European country English language, because European cannot speak English, but they can, because English only speaking in America. You know, the English language is speaking in United States of America and the United Kingdom of the Britannia, England. Because in European countries there are too much many languages. About the English language, they have broken and make many branches of English. There are some villages languages speaking in English, and the England English is other one, United States English is other one, and European country English language are the too much different and difficult for the all humanity in the world. But those are living in United States and United Kingdom, UK, England, they can understand, because like over in subcontinent in Asia, Urdu is speaking only understanding in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, and the other neighborhood countries relation. Like Arabic is speaking in all Arab countries, but there are too much branches of the Arabic. Maybe 200 languages, Arabic branches, 200 languages in different dictionaries, but toppest and first one, the special Arabic language is the belong Holy Quran and Holy Book, and the language of Muhammad, last prophet of the Muslim, the last prophet of Islam. That is the topest and main citizen language, and the very, very highest and very grateful, very loveful, very sweet and very honey language as the Holy Quran language. Other language, there are too much, I told you, about 200, maybe 2000 branches of Arabic languages. There are too much different, but the Arabic can understand Arabic. Other men cannot understand. Like English, I told you before, English in the European countries, in UK and USA and other countries and North countries and South countries, they are understanding English and can speak English, but there are national languages are too much different and other languages. Maybe alphabetical ABCD is same, but there are dictionary meaning are the too much different, and the talking dialogue and the of English language are too much different. So my dear Facebook friends, in the Facebook also, you have a very good and grateful mission and great and very, very nice sweet program on the Facebook and the internet, Instagram, Twitter. You can speak and translate all things in the all world languages. That is a too much easy way. You cannot speak all languages of the world, but you can understand. But there are a reason, if you are understanding English language, so you can translate and understand. If you cannot speak English, so problem, too much difficulties. So that is I am saying about our messaging and programming, what we are organizing about the sciences, science scholars, modern generation, amazing, incredible talking, television, international YouTube studio, over television studio, messages, programming in the worldwide, inshallah, in the three languages. First one English, second one Arabic, third one Urdu. I think now you are understand and don't misunderstanding about my messages, and don't hesitate it, and you must should to love our messages, our joining you with you on Facebook and international phone, amazing, incredible talking studio languages about the messages of new generation. You also help us and you guide us, most welcome us in your news fields, in television fields, in the worldwide, about European countries, in USA, United States, and UK, United Kingdom, in the oldest name is the Great England. Very nice name. So I hope all news agencies and the all journalist agencies and the all online, all lifeline, all online live news agencies, journalism agencies, television agencies online in Arabian countries, in Kingdom Saudi, in Oman, in Muscat, in Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, in Egyptian, in Sudan, in Oman, and Bahrain, in Pakistan, in India, and Australia, in the all Russia, all United States of America, and UK, and European country, Norway, other many countries will support us, help us, and making share our messages in your programming, in television, in media, and in services. I hope you, I will assure you, inshallah, challenging, we will help you about the humanity, humankind services for human rights, truth way, peace way, and justice way, love for brotherhood, for humanity in the worldwide. So that is I want to say and explaining you. So most welcome. Thank you very much, my all dear viewers. I have to join with you international, online, on live stream, and the all television. So we will give you good support, helping this mission I understanding about the old world policies and the generation policies and education policies, scientist policies, computer technology policies, and the many things. There are some difficulties in the political field and the government field, but I think humanity, for human rights, for humankind services, never any government will not disturb you, because all governments know and the know well than us that is humanity, human rights, and humankind services for peace, for justice. That is a grateful work, grateful mission, grateful efforts for the all worldwide, for all his countries, for our countries, in the worldwide field, in education field, in all department of the worldwide, openly, independently, freedomly, as a journalist and a TV, television and media, news is journalist, and the all education field, you can free and frankly speak, but truth way, right way, for humanity, for human justice, peace, brotherhood, human kind services, for humanity worldwide, for human rights, with a good law, good relation, truth way, and the good wishes for good helping, supporting always by grace and by mercy and blessing of the God. Thank you again, most welcome. I will preparing and organizing some very good way talking, all education, all our field. We will introduce you again in Arabic, in English, and in Urdu, and maybe inshallah ta'ala with your support, mercy, help, and supporting in other language, we will talk you, and most welcome. Thank you very much, my dear, and most welcome. Thank you very much.